Max.
Hey, darling. Love you, darling. Mommy loves you. smell something? Hmm? Just chicken bones. Kuku, I love you.